Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Andrew with thehustlemastery.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make over $100 with the free app available for Android and iOS devices today. And I also want to just thank you for supporting me on hitting 2 million views here on YouTube. So make sure you like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you're new. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the name of this app, I'm pretty sure you have heard of this app before. It's called Sweatcoin. So I have videos in the past on my channel. Feel free to check out the description below. I have a lot of links everywhere about this app with proof, earnings, everything, walkthroughs, everything. The way this app works, basically you just walk around, you can invite your friends, and you earn a currency, and it's called Sweatcoin currency. So with that currency, you can actually cash out via PayPal. You can do bank transfer. You can get gift cards. You can even get merchandise on the app as well. So if you join today, you'll also get $5 in Sweatcoin money fast. So I know everybody's already trying to say, oh, where's the earnings at? I want to see if it's real. I want to see what you're talking about is legit. So yeah, I actually have the PayPal window right here open. So as you can see here, I typed in the Sweatcoin. This is the actual name of the actual app of the company that paid me. So as you can see here, these are all completed: $100, $100, $100, $100. So here's one of the transactions I clicked on. It's $100 gross amount. It was October 21st, 2020 of this year, and payment status is completed. As you can see there, $100 USD. As you can see here, info.thehustlemastery@gmail.com. That is my email for this channel, for my business. So as you can see here, it's legit $100 USD of this year, 2020, just by walking and inviting my friends and family. So again, the app is called Sweatcoin. The link will be in the description below. Make $100 or more, you guys, just by walking and inviting your friends. So that's pretty much it for today's video, y'all. So I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have way more content coming up, and if you want more videos just like this, make sure you check out my channel and search the videos or the playlist. There's a lot of them everywhere. And then like I said before in the beginning of the video, I have links in the description, so feel free to hit the links or cards or end screens. I will have something there for you guys to watch and learn and earn some money here and there. With that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe, clean, and God bless you all.